Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from this website. As you can see up here, the name of the website is called OfJob. Okay, this is the website address. Okay, ofjobber.com. Now, this website is actually used by a whole lot of people. Okay, and it's a website that you can actually make money just by investing some amount of money and also performing some minor tasks here. Okay, you can see these are the minor tasks that you can perform for you to begin to make money right from 6%. Okay, you know what, I'm going to be showing you all that, how you can actually make your deposit, how you can make your withdrawal, how much you can make every day. I'm going to be showing you all that here. Okay, but first and foremost, let me show you how you can actually register on this platform. Okay, let me quickly show you that. Okay, so you just come down. There's a link. I'll actually be dropping the link right below this video. Just go to the description of this video. The first link you'll be seeing in the description of this video. Okay, click on that link and that link will bring you to this interface. Okay, it will bring you to this website here. Now all you just need to do here now is to put your password here. Okay, you see this code here. Okay, you put this verification code here, then you put your login password here. Okay, the second one also, you confirm your login password. Okay, then you also put your transaction password, because that is a transaction password that you'll be using, okay, to withdraw your money whenever you want to withdraw your money. Okay, then if you click on my link, the invitation code will already be here. Okay, and if it's not here, you just check the link. It's going to be in my link. Okay, you just put it there. Okay, so I'm going to be logging in because I have actually registered already. Okay, so I'm going to be logging into my accounts. Okay, so as soon as I log into my account, it's going to bring me to this interface. Okay, now on this interface, you can see how the interface actually looks like. First and foremost, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money into this account to unlock all these tasks. Okay, to unlock all those tasks, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually deposit money into the account first and foremost, because the project is actually an investment project whereby you deposit money into it and you will be taking a certain amount of percentage. Like this one now, you can see this. If you put in $10 here, and like before I even forget, if you register with my link right below this video, the website will be giving you $8. Okay, as you are coming in, the website will be giving you $8. Don't worry, I'm going to be making deposit into my account, and I'm also going to be carrying out the task and show you how I actually make money from this website. Now, for this particular one, if you start with the trial member section, okay, you'll be earning 0.5%. But if you start with the major uh, package, which is this OB1, this $30, if you're coming with this, you'll be making $1.8 every day. In a month, you make $54. And mind you, this project will actually take you for, if you register, you're going to be earning this money for 1 year. Okay, so you can imagine how much you'll be earning as long as the project keeps going. Okay, so if you're coming with this $30 now, you're going to be earning $54 every month. If you're coming with 100 USDT, you'll be earning 195 USDT every month. You'll be earning 6.5 USDT every day, right? Okay, you see this one, you're coming with 300 USDT, you'll be earning 630 USDT every month, and 21 USDT every day. This is a whole lot of way how you can actually make money. You can see that it's very lucrative. Okay, down to this to 25,000 USDT. You imagine you'll be earning 2,500 USDT every day, and in a month you're going to be earning 75,000 USDT. That's a whole lot of money to make on this particular website. Okay, so let's go back. Let me show you how to recharge this website. You're going to send money in here before you now start any money. So I'm going to click on this recharge here. Okay, I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to copy this USDT. Remember, you'll be using only USDT on this particular website. Okay, as you can see, this is USDT and it is TRC20. Okay, so we're going to be copying this link here. I'm going to copy this link and I will go to my Trust Wallet. Okay, I'll go to my Trust Wallet and send in some money in here. Okay, let me just send some money into the website from my Trust Wallet here. Okay, so I'm going to send, click on send. I'm going to paste that wallet address here, and I'm going to put, let me just send 3 USDT. Okay, I'm going to be sending 3 USDT rather, not 30. I'm going to be sending 3 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on continue. Then it's going to load. Let's allow it to load. Okay, so after loading, we're going to click on confirm. Okay, then I'm going to put in, let me quickly put in my password. Okay, so I've just sent in 3 USDT, okay, to my account. So let's go back to the website. Okay, so I'm going to, when you come down back to the website, you're going to click on this submit. Okay, so you can see the money has actually arrived in my wallet here. So you see now that I have 11 USDT here. You know, like I rightly told you earlier, if you register with my link right below the video, the website will be giving you $8. Okay, so now what I need to do now is to go back to you can see, so when I come here, you can see that that money that I deposited has unlocked this Lazada. Okay, so if you put in $30, it's going to unlock this particular one. Okay, so the more money you put in, the more package you choose. Okay, you know, I showed you the package here, right? You can see this one is what I just unlock. You can see this is, you can see current here, you see current status. This is the very one I just unlock. Okay, so if you put in this $30, it's going to unlock this one. Okay, so let's go back here and let me show you how it is. So if you see, if I click here now, okay, it's going to show me the task here. Okay, it's going to show me the task. So all I just need to do is just to click on one of those tasks. So you can see that the tasks are just even minor tasks. It's not like a difficult task. Then I'm going to click on submit. You can see payment successful. So now I've actually earned money already. Just by performing that, I've earned some money already. So if I come down here, you can see I've earned this 0.5 USDT already for today. Okay, that is the money I've earned for today. Now don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make withdrawal also, okay, from this website. But I want to show you how you can make money also by referring people to this website. If you click on this team here, if you come down here and you click on this team, you can see you have your referral link here. You can even copy your referral link here, or you copy this code, and you can go to social media or anywhere and invite people here. Now if you invite anybody into this website, you'll be getting 10% of whatever the person actually deposits with the person with this website. Now in your team B, whoever this person in team B actually invites into this website, you'll be getting 3%, and whoever this team in your team C invite into the website, you'll be getting 2%. So altogether, you'll be getting about 15% referral bonus on this particular website. Okay, so you can see how lucrative it is that you can make money from this website. Now, there's one other thing. There's actually a kind of game going on in their Telegram group. Now, if you join their Telegram group, let me show you that. Let's click here, click up here, and you go to their Telegram group. They have a whole lot of persons in their Telegram group. You can see they have over 13,000 people in their Telegram group. Okay, now if you join the Telegram group, let me join the Telegram group here. Okay, I'm going to click on join. Let me join. Now if you join the Telegram group, there's an opportunity for you to actually make about $10. Okay, from this just by joining this Telegram group, there's an opportunity for you to make $10. Okay, so you can join the Telegram group. You can see different persons here. If you want to make any question, or you want to if you have any question, or you want to make any kind of inquiries, you can make the inquiries in the Telegram group. You can see it's an open group. You can type your message, ask them any question here. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about the website. They have different avenue how you can actually make money from the website. Okay, now for the withdrawal, let me show you how you can make your withdrawal. So for us to bind our wallet address, let's click on this home here. Okay, you come down here, then you click on this where it says withdrawal method here. You can see withdrawal method here. You click on this withdrawal method here. Okay, so you can see I've already binded my own TRC wallet address here already. So what you're going to do is this: you just go to, be it your Trust Wallet, your Tron Link, or wherever you're going to be sending money from. You just pick your wallet address, then you come here, make sure it is USDT TRC20. Then you come here, you're going to paste your wallet address and you're going to click on submit. Okay, then it will be submitted. Then whenever you want to make withdrawal, all you just need to do is just to come down here where it says withdraw here. You can see where it says withdrawal here. Then you just click on this withdrawal. Okay, when you click on this withdrawal, you're going to see that right here you can see uh, I have 0.50 here. For that, just the trial account that I actually subscribe to. Okay, so here now I'm going to be putting, let me just put 0.05 here, 0.5000. Okay, then I'm going to put my payment password here. Okay, I'm going to put my payment password here. And I'm going to click on submit. So it's the application withdraw successful, right? You can see the withdrawal actually went through. Okay, you can see the money is no longer here. Now I'm going to go to my Trust Wallet. So okay, you can see this is the 0.5 that actually transferred from OfJob into my Trust Wallet. So you can see the withdrawal is actually going through. I just received the money into my Trust Wallet account. Okay, so let's go back to the website. So you can see it is very, very easy for you to actually make money from this website. Now I'm going to be dropping the link of this website, okay, right below this video. Make sure you click on that link and you get to this website and you start making money. Remember to join the Telegram channel, and also remember to invite your friends if you want them to also make money and want you also make money from them joining. Okay, thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.